Once you've logged in, just hold until you are told vote now. Don't vote yet. Is it malfunctioning? Kirui, is it malfunctioning? Yes. Clark. She's registering. They can proceed to log in now. Is it working? You're okay? You have a problem? Vote now. Vote now.